My next rant is about Xiaomi 12s Ultra, the premium phone for the year. As you know, Jerryrigeverything has got the phone and he's done a testing of this phone. He tested the camera hump and he put through the pacer with average performance. The 12s is an upgrade to the MI11 Ultra with improvement across several parameters. We thought that the new camera hump will be the poor thing, but it passed the durability test. The 12s Ultra has a premium exterior design with silicone leather, but the Harmon Kardon frame is plastic and prone to scratches. The display is Gorilla Victus. The device did not have a perfect performance as the bending forces had some impact, but the popping noise and slight crack around the frame during the test. But the users can be rest assured that it will last for the course of smartphone use because it's very durable phone. I will put the link of the video below. You can check it out. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos.